Well, not a bad day at the office. We just left the Point Loma Marina, and this is where all of this takes place. If you want to get out on the boat, but you don't want to have to worry about owning a boat, the maintenance, the cleaning, all of that, the insurance, goodness, it's a headache. Instead, you can just own one. So the Carefree Boat Club, it all starts out of Point Loma. They've got 24 members so far. You guys just started in December, Carlos. For people who are interested in just renting a boat or being part of this club, tell me a little bit about how this membership works.
Sure. Well, it's an on-demand membership, so every member here has access to at least 4 revolving half-day reservations that they can have in the system at any given time. So you can make reservations up to 6 months in advance if you have holidays that are important to you or anything like that. And our members also have an on-demand valet service, which means any boat that's on the docks available, like the ones we just saw, any member can call me and just access them on demand. Our dock staff is always ready to go, always ready to have them clean and send you out boating.
Well, I will say, okay, so part of the club and the membership fees and everything, it's not necessarily cheap, right? So you gotta have the cash to put into it, but there's always 4 boats. This is actually one of them, but it's gonna end up being less expensive than it would to have to deal with owning a boat. Tell me the price difference.
Well, this costs about 1/3 of the price of a boat.
Okay.
So that's essentially how it breaks down. If you were to join our club and stay with us for 5 years, as most boat owners keep their boats for, you'd be paying about 1/3 of the cost of any of the boats you are riding on right now.
Okay.
So it basically gives you 3 times the value of your money if you want to look at it that way. Not to mention you don't have to deal with any insurance, any slip fees, or any of the other fees other than just fuel.
And Captain Peter here is going to teach you how to captain the boat, so eventually you can take it all out by yourself, with your family. Maybe you like a date night. You guys actually let your members take them out at night as well if they want to.
Absolutely, yes. We've actually had a couple members go out to Humphreys last night, I think, or a couple of nights ago, and they checked out a little bit of the Commodore show. Yeah, they had a great time, posted pictures in our little Facebook group, so we like to do that sometimes. We went to the Alanis Morissette show as well, so we like to take our members out as well. But yes, absolutely. Peter actually took his wife out to Los Coronado one time, and they stayed overnight and just docked the boat right in the slip and had a lovely time. So those are all things our members are welcome to do. It's really the Carefree lifestyle. It's not just boating that you pay for. It's really being able to boat and walk away. That's what you pay for, boating without the hangover.
I'm loving this so far. Being out in the water, enjoying all of this. We're going a little slow though, Peter. Can we see what this boat can do? All right, he's going to take us on a little ride. For more information on the Carefree Boat Club, if you want to get behind the wheel of one of these and play out on the water, here we go. Fox5sandiego.com. All you have to do is click on that Scene On tab. All right, I'll send it back to you guys in the studio for now. Hold on.
Looks like a lot of fun. Thank you, Heather. Taylor Swift dominates at the end.